deep frying a turkey with the Loco. Put your oil in there. Turn on your tank. Let that heat up to probably about 375, 400. So when you drop your turkey in there, it drops down to 350. All right, now that the oil's been heating for a little bit, it's around 400 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the turkey in there. It's been brining for 24 hours. Season it. I'm gonna drop it in nice and slowly in this. The temperature should drop around to 350. We got the copper gear. Alright, turkey's in. Sitting at right at 350. I'm gonna go ahead and lower this heat just a little bit, just so it stays at 350. Should take about a couple hours. Been about an hour. Do a quick little check. Still at 350. Alright, should be about done. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off and pull the turkey out. It's on, fire's off. Put my glove on. Over there. Let it rest for a little bit. Oh yeah, she cooked. Well, there you have it, folks.